How to connect MT4 and MT5 to TradingView. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MT4 and MT5 to TradingView. It's a quick and easy process, so let's jump right in. First, head over to your browser and search for TradingView. Click on the first link that appears and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. From there, tap on the Trading Panel tab located at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see a list of brokers available for use within TradingView. Now it's important to note that while you can log in with your MT4 and MT5 accounts, trading functionality is currently not supported for these accounts directly within TradingView. So, if you're looking to actively trade, here's what you can do instead. Scroll all the way down the page and tap on the link to create an account with one of the supported brokers. Once you tap on that, you'll be redirected to a registration page where you can sign up for an account. After completing the registration, you'll be able to start trading using the apps and platforms offered by that broker, all within the TradingView interface. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.